So in this lesson we're going to continue on from the last multitasking lesson, and in that one we just learnt some very simple syncopation. That one went like this: 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So that should be fairly easy to introduce yourself to syncopation. And syncopation is what makes multitasking really fun. It can be a little bit boring just hitting the notes on the downbeats all the time. So just a very simple change to that. We're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and you can see that's just a pattern of half the length. So the syncopation's on the end of 3 and 4 instead of on the second bar. So let's change that slightly again. It's going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so you can see I moved the fourth piano hit from the end of 4 back to the 4. So it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just like that. So you can play with all these different variations. You can either write it out if you like to do it that way, or you can just keep a quarter note pulse on the kick drum and either play the piano on the pulse or in between and just improvise like that and see what you can come up with. So I'll just teach you one more variation. This one goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so you can see each variation I'm teaching only changes it, the beat very slightly. We're just moving one of the piano hits just to 8th note. So you can play with that on your own, all the different combinations. One way we can make it harder is by using some different sounds over here. So we can go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and like that. So when adding something new like that, it's good to keep it very simple and go back to a simple pattern. You've got to make everything easy for yourself at first. And then an even harder thing is trying to do a beat with the syncopation. So we can go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that can be quite hard at first to actually do a beat and make the piano syncopated. And sometimes I just like to do a beat and just play the piano and not think about exactly what I'm doing. Sometimes that's easier than actually planning out what you're going to do at first. So have fun playing with that. Try it all very slowly and then work your way up little by little to get things harder and harder. Cool, thanks for watching.